Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge vendors in QuickBooks. Merging vendors can help you to clean up your list by combining duplicate profiles into one. Let me show you how to get this done. So first step is to choose the vendor to keep. On your QuickBooks dashboard, go to Expenses, Vendors. Now you're going to decide which vendor records will remain after the merge. Note the exact spelling of its name. Step 2 is to edit the duplicate vendor. Now find the duplicate vendor, click Edit, and then you're going to change its display name to exactly match the vendor you're keeping. Step 3 is to confirm the merge. QuickBooks will ask if you want to merge the vendors. Click Yes to proceed, and now all transactions from the duplicate vendor will be moved under the primary vendor. A pro tip, merging is permanent. You can't undo it once it's done. So be sure to back up your data before making big changes. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.